Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming admin rights and an active internet connection, then close other apps so installations won't block. Once done, launch Windows Terminal or Powershell explicitly as administrator so installer can modify system files. Run $PS version table. PS version and note the output. This verifies your current PowerShell major and minor version so you can confirm success later. Next, make sure Widget is available. Type Widget version. If it returns, you're ready to install the newer PowerShell package. You will use Widget because it handles updates cleanly. First run Widget search PowerShell to pick the correct package ID. Then run Widget install ID Microsoft. PowerShell eSource Widget and approve any elevation prompts. Widget downloads and runs the official installer for you. During installation, follow any GUI prompts to accept license terms and optional components. Make sure no other PowerShell sessions are writing profiles. Close them if needed. When the installer finishes, it will place the new PWSH binary. You finish by restarting your terminal or the PC so the new executable is picked up in Shortcuts Update. Once restarted, launch PWSH, PowerShell 7+, and run PWSH command $PS version table. PS version to confirm the installed major and minor version. If the version matches your target, set PWSH as your default profile if desired. If something goes wrong, like Widget not found or installer errors, make sure you ran as administrator, confirm app installer is present, or use the manual MSI installer. Checking path and rerunning as admin resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.